Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to remove emoji from a picture in a second only with your iPhone. So here the device that I use is iPhone XR, and the way to remove it, you just need to open your photo library and just find the picture that is containing the emoji on it. So here I got one. Let's say I will like to remove this. Let's say this is the emoji that I will let you removed, and the next thing we need to do is just go click this photo and go click edit, and right after that we need to go click this. Take a look on this top right corner, there will be a T icon. Go click the middle one, just the pen, and right after that you just need to pick the pen type, and you also need to pick the size of the pen, and right after that you just need to go click this color picker and then go click them and do a color pick and adjusting this into the specific part, the closest part with the emoji, and right after that you just need to go click X and start scratching the emoji. So excuse me, just need to start scratching and you'll see now those two emoji start to be disappear. You just need to like scratching them patiently. It doesn't matter whether there is like a how could say a line out of the emoji and that this looks so outstanding there, but then you can just go erase them with this icon and go click scratching into the line that disturbing it. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and now those emoji is already hidden. So that is the way how to remove emoji from a picture in a second only with your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.